Poly C. This is just a little short video that I put together. I took some more night shots of the LED strip. I actually added a newer one on, if you've seen the previous video, which I'll leave the cards and the links for in the description. This particular LED strip is, I believe, 79 inches, where the other one was in the 51-inch area. I think that's what it was. Anyways, I'll leave you the links for those. So I've changed them up. I took the small LED strip and I actually put it in the back, which I'll show you. Okay, it's a little bit bright out this morning and frosty too, but the strip goes around here. I got some night shots that I'll show you too, and I'll also leave all the links and descriptions for the products and the previous videos that we did. So let's get to the night shots. Alright guys, so there you have it. As you can see, it's pretty bright. And that should be about it. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I always love to hear your comments. Also, check out my Facebook page